Hi guys, we're Samantha and Anastasia, and today we're here to introduce you to a website that you are really going to like. It works like a charm and everything only takes a minute or two tops. Our friend Serzato will take it from here.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? Hope you're doing super well. So a lot of you guys were asking me a lot of questions on Twitter after I recently posted that video, right? You guys were asking me whether or not it was real or whether or not it was free and how do you get it. So I'm making this video to confirm everything. Yes, it was 100% real, and yes, it's completely free, guys. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did it. So I found the site online, right, which I will link down below, so make sure you guys check it out. So I found the site, entered my username, and I selected my platform, and the only thing I had to do was download some apps and answer a few questions, and that was it. It worked easily, it worked flawlessly, and I highly recommend it to you guys as well, man. Seriously, it worked great, and I recommend it, and I want you guys to do the same thing. So with that being said, soon I'm going to publish some more epic videos, so make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel so you can be the first ones to know about that. And with that being said, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you soon.